Hi guys, welcome to All Things Tech, and this is the Chromecast Audio in 2016. Let's find out if it's worth it in 90 seconds. The Chromecast Audio is a little device that allows you to stream music over Wi-Fi to your speakers as long as they have a 3.5mm jack or RCA or optical input. What makes this device so attractive is its price. It costs $35, which is just incredible value. It comes in a surprisingly nice box for the price actually, and included is a short 3.5mm cable, micro USB cable, and of course the Chromecast Audio itself, which is pretty damn tiny. Setting up the Chromecast is incredibly simple. Plug it in, download the Google Cast app and follow the steps presented to you, and voila! Your Chromecast Audio is now ready to be used. Since the launch of the Chromecast Audio, a lot more apps are supporting the Google Cast protocol. A few notable are Spotify, Pocket Casts and TuneIn Radio. Casting is super simple. When your Chromecast is connected to your network, your phone or tablet should recognize it automatically, and a little cast icon should pop up in your compatible app. When you press the cast button and select your Chromecast, all the media you select in that app should start playing through your Chromecast. Another notable feature that was out of post-launch is the ability to create groups of Google Cast devices, so you can stream your music to multiple Chromecasts at once. So how does it sound? Although I'm not an audiophile, I am an audio enthusiast. And sure, it doesn't sound as good as a dedicated DAC amp like the FiiO IE10K, but that's not what it's meant for. The sound coming out of the Chromecast is more than good enough for 99% of the people who are going to buy this product. I do highly recommend using the full dynamic range option though, if you have your Chromecast connected to some higher quality speakers. So overall, I think the Chromecast is definitely worth its $35 retail price. You get a product that does just what it says. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to stream your music to your speakers, look no further. Alright guys, that was the video. If you liked it, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps a lot. I see you in the next one.